this question done, please. The question says, calculate the molecular mass of sodium triazosulfate 6. I have the compound, the formula here, NaSO4. Given the atomic masses, sodium is 23, sulfur is 32, and oxygen is 16. Yeah, we said get the what? Calculate the what? Molecular mass, also called relative molecular mass of a compound, right? So from here, solution. The compound there is what? NaSO4. Well, to find the molecular mass of sodium triazosulfate 6 here. So how to get this done? Basically, so what's sodium? Sodium is Na. Basically, the mass number is 23. That becomes 23 plus sulfur is of course 32. 32 plus oxygen is of course 16. That becomes 16. But what? There are 4 oxygen here, so that times 4. So I have this. Let's give about 23 plus 32 plus, if I multiply 16 by 4, I have 64. Combine 60 times 4, 64. If I add up this, if I add these two up, I shall have 55. 55 plus, that becomes 50. 5 plus 64 should give about 9 here. So I have 119 gram per mole. So it becomes gram per mole. It becomes my answer. So find what? Calculate the molecular mass. So the molecular mass of the compound sodium triazocarbonate 4 is what? 119 gram per mole. So I have this as my answer. So when it comes to molecular mass, also called relative molecular mass of a compound, how to get that done? We said this is sodium. Sodium is just 1 here. So I should be having 1 times 23. I same as 23. So sodium is 23 plus sulfur. What's the mass of sulfur? 23. 32 per se. 32 plus oxygen is 16. But I'm having what? 4 numbers of oxygen. That becomes 6 times 4. 4. Add them up, I should have 19 gram per mole. This is how you solve this particular Jamb past question.